Hello, welcome back to the third session for the third day of the hackathon. So we've done the first session, the second session, this is the third session. In this session, we are going to learn how to arrange our whole website in a grid form. In a grid form. In the previous sessions, we learned how to lay out our website framework using HTML and connecting it with CSS. The second session, we learn how to divide our website into division. The third session, we are going to learn how to lay out our website into grid form so that our divisions can be arranged in very orderly manner. Right, so without wasting much time, let's start. We are using our same old code as we've been using. So we have our major syntax here, the HTML, the open tag, and the HTML close tag down here. We have our footer here. So let's add our footer. We have our footer here. All right. So there is a footer here. Then we have our third division, which lists the services we provide on our website. Then we have our website, the second division we named as DVI2. We have our first division here, that's DVI1. Then we have our app title. We are going to call CSS grid box, whereby we can actually turn our whole website into framework that will suit our whatever we want to build or that will please our users. Currently, let's check our preview how it's done. So here's our preview currently. You can see welcome to my site. The site offers these and a whole lot. Let's go and add some CSS. Now, in grid layout, we are going to make our website, everything in our website be in a box form, whereby we are going to divide each of the boxes into compartments or sections. So we will start by a hash or asterisk. We are using a star to indicate the whole body component of our website. So a star is representing the whole body of our website. Then we will bring our curly bracket. Star, which represent our whole body website. Then we will bring a curly bracket. So we will have a sizing, box sizing. Now, as we've written the box sizing, we will give it a value. So we want it to be a border box, a border box. Very simple here. Now, after doing that, we will come to each of our section, each of our division here. So we will call division 1, we will do it, division 2, we will do division 3, we will do. So we are calling division 1. Now dvi.dvi1 curly bracket. Now inside the .dvi1, we are going to call, since we've already demarcated the box section, we are going to call a border around it. So a border, then I'll say 1 px border. Then I can also say solid, then a red. So I want a very solid border and in a red color. And I terminate it. Again, I'll go ahead and add a padding. I'll go ahead and add a padding to it. padding. Now, adding the padding, I'll add the size, how I want it to look like. So 15 pixels. Now, when we go to our website, you can see the division. Our first division has been laid out beautifully on our website, leaving the rest. Let's go and add the rest. Yeah, so we are calling our next division, that's DV2, DV2, DVI2. In our next division, DVI2, what we are going to do is we are going to actually arrange the things in the DVI2. We are going to arrange the things in the DVI2. So let's add more things to the DVI. Let's bring these things to the DVI2. Then we will bring the ones in the DVI2 to DVI3. So currently in our DVI2, we have list of some services we offer in the DVI2. So we will go ahead and add some features in the CSS. We want the width, the size, the width of the box to be 25%. So we will add the width to be 25%. Now, after the width, what we can add right now is to float. We want it to go to the left side of our screen. So to float, we will say left. The next one we can do here is to make the padding the same as the first one, the 15%. The padding 15%, so padding 15%. Then we will add a border. Of course, we added a border to the first one, so we are going to add a border to this border one. So then we are saying a very solid one with red color. Beautiful. Now we are going to call our next division, which is the third division. So dot div3, third division. In our third division, we are going to style it again. So our third division is going to contain our main interface. So it's the same thing we are going to do as with a second division, but this time around, we are going to make it a bit larger. So we can take all these in the second division, then add it to the third division. But we will want to increase the size since we will be writing a lot of content in the third division. Let me go over again before we watch the preview. Now, this session is talking about how to lay out our website or our app in grid session so that we can arrange our various the divisions we created in the session 2. We can arrange it neatly on our website. Arranging it neatly, we will need some CSS attributes. So we will come and import the boxing section. So star, then in the curly bracket, we bring our box size and our border box. Then we call DVI1. We called our DVI1. We gave it a border with the color red. We gave it a padding. Now after that, we called our DV2. Now DV2, since our DV2 contains list, menu list, we opened it a bit so that it can contain a list. We floated it to the left side of our screen. It should be at the left side of our screen. We gave it the same pattern. Then the border, we gave it a red border. And on our third division, that's where we be talking about a lot of things. We did the same thing, but we opened it. We floated it to the left, then gave it a pattern, then a border. Let's check our preview. Now you can see our preview here. You can see that in our preview, we have the, the first section, that's the first division. We have our second division, Then we have our third division here. So so you can see we've been able to demarcate our website into boxing section. We've been able to demarcate our website into boxing section, first session, second session, third session, fourth session. Based on this, you can go ahead and color every part you want to. So you can go ahead and add a lot of things to it. Let's go to our code and add some things to it. Now we want to make this our heading here. We want to color it to differentiate it from the rest. So we will go to the top. That's our first division. Then we add background color. So we can make our background color here black. Then if we make our background color black, let's make our writings in there white. So we will just add a color which will make the writings white. So you can see neatly designed here for our first division. Now let's go to the next division, the second division. We can color it background color. We can set our background color maybe to be yellow. Then we will make the color white. When we come to our division here, you can see it's white. Let's change the yellow to somehow green. Now you can see here our black, our green. Then we go to our next one, our third division. Now in our third division, so we will also add background color. So we can make it blue. Then we can add a color so we can see black. Let's go back to our code and see. So you can see our third division. Now we've been able to divide our website to compartments. So one, two, we have three, four, five. We can add a whole lot of divisions to our website. This is the end of this session, the grid layout session. Thank you.